Yana and I are best friends and we're so successful at school. Today we'll be sharing 5 little things students do to lead them to success. Are you ready, Yana?
Sure I am. 1. Asking one good question every day. Asking questions helps you understand things better. When you're curious and you ask about something you don't know, you'll learn more and remember it longer.
2. Listening carefully when others speak. Listening carefully while others speak, you pay attention to what they're saying. This helps you understand their ideas and learn new things.
3. Helping classmates when they need it. Helping someone makes everyone feel good. When you assist a classmate, it shows kindness and makes the place better for everyone.
4. Writing down one new idea or one new word every day. Writing down things help you remember it longer. By jotting down new ideas or new words, you can look back and learn from them later.
5. Finishing small tasks on time. Finishing small tasks on time helps you stay organized. It reduces stress. It also builds up good habits. It makes hard tasks easier to handle.
See, success is not about big things.
It's about things we do every day. Little things make a big difference.